Hi everyone, Saurabh this side from groupdiscussion.co. Today we are going to present the recent GD topics that have been asked at ICICI Bank GD. So the real credit actually goes to our students who have appeared in the ICICI Bank GD and they have shared the topic with us. So the credit goes to them. The first topic that has been informed to us is future of neobanks. You might have heard about these banks, Jupiter or Phi. These are neobanks which are completely digital. They don't have physical branches. They are 100% digital branches. According to RBI norms, they have to collaborate with an established physical branch or traditional bank actually. And the main point is that they are completely digital. So you have to know about this. The second topic that was informed to us is impact of digitalization on banking. Now, this is a very generic topic. It could have been impact of digitalization on edtech, impact of digitalization on healthcare. It could have been anything. So the core or crunch of this topic lies in this part on banking. So we have to talk in terms of financial institutions, in terms of banks specifically. Now you can quote your own example if you have any. For example, if I have to talk on this now, I will share my experience of how 3 to 4 years back I used to visit my local branch in an interval of few months. But now I mostly use some app that is provided by that bank, which gives me a complete digitalization experience. The third topic informed to us is traditional versus neobanks. Now, as I explained, neobanks are completely digital. They don't have physical branches, while traditional bank they are adopting digital methods. Still, they are mostly physical. The fourth topic informed to us was, should banks be privatized? This topic is completely understandable as ICICI is a private bank. Now, jokes apart, now this topic could have been modified as, should PSUs be privatized? Should public sector XYZ should be privatized? Now again, it can be made generic. However, if this specific topic is provided to you, you have to talk in terms of bank, and if possible you have to quote some real life examples, facts and figures of how privatizing a bank has affected positively or negatively that particular bank. The fourth one is cashless society. Now, if I have to quote my example now, today when I visited my office, I paid the auto wala bhaiya using UPI. In the evening, when I went for snacks, I paid using UPI. We are more and more moving towards the UPI, digital banking, or other kind of similar payment methods. And nowadays, we are using very less cash. It's not that we are not investing cash, it's just that we are investing or wasting in a cashless way. The sixth topic that is informed to us is impact of UPI on Indian economy. I don't think that I have to quote an example. You might have better examples than me. I can confidently say that UPI is something which has affected us to the very grassroots level. I can say that because I have seen in our villages also people are using UPI. If you go to a small scale industry or leave industry, if you go to a small scale shop also, you will find that there is this option of paying via UPI. So definitely UPI has affected us to the very grassroots level. Now finally, all of this is just theory. You need to practice to master this art of group discussion. At groupdiscussion.co, we provide you industry professionals who are there to guide you. The second thing is that if you have watched this movie, Three Idiots, there is this suggestion by Mr. Ranchodas that feedback should be provided in private, and we have actually accepted his philosophy. We follow this philosophy of appreciating in public and criticizing in private, and that's why we provide you with one-to-one feedback session which is completely private. Now all of your shortcomings, all of your gaps will be told to you in a private feedback session. Thank you. See you at groupdiscussion.co.